Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Babyliss Platinum 2300 hair dryer, which I just got. So let's go ahead and unwrap it. It also comes with a diffuser, and as you can see, I'm trying to show you guys in the camera. Okay, so it has a lot of packaging. Like a lot of packaging right now. So I'm going to take out the cardboard bits. And wait, nearly done it. Yep, it came out. Okay. I'm just going to see if there's anything else in there. Yeah, there is. Okay, and then comes the wire out. And the leaflets, and there's this random thing. Oh, that's where the nozzle was, I think. Yes. Okay, so there's a whole lot of cardboard, and then it's the main hairdryer. Oops. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward this bit.